Okay, I just want everybody to see this. This is my devil cat inside of my Christmas tree. Hey, what are you doing up there? What is wrong with you? Huh? You better come down. You're gonna break my tree. This is a fake tree, not a real tree. Tonks. Will you please get out of my Christmas tree? Come here. Please get out of my Christmas tree. I don't know how to get you out. Come here. Come on, Tonks. Come on. If you're stuck in there, I'm sorry. I can't get you out. Come on. Come on, let's get out. Come on. Come on. Climb out. Tonks, this is ridiculous. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Ow. Are you serious? Okay, well, just stay up there, I guess. Whatever. You coming now? Oh my gosh. Why are you doing this to me? Where'd you go? What are you doing? What are you doing? Will you please find out? Mom. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to try to get her out of this tree. I just wanted to show everybody how horrible my cat is. Say bye, Tonks. Tonks. Oh, you going to climb out? Come on. Alright, say bye to everybody. Tonks. Say bye.